Hi friends, this video shows how to safely eject this Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield from Google TV streamer 4K device. Here you can see I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV streamer 4K device using this USB Type-C cable. And here you can see the white cable, that is a power cable connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable. This cable is connected to this portable SSD storage. So this is a setup. So let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, then go down, select storage, and here under this removable storage you can see that Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield. Name of the device is no name. You can see the size 1 TB. So I am going to eject this, set this 1 TB storage. Here you can see the eject option. Select eject. Now it's ejecting. So please wait. Done. After this, we can safely remove this Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield from Google TV streamer 4K device. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.